or boot. Has all the stuff I need for the DIY. Hold this one. And this. So 4 of these, you're gonna see it tomorrow. And these are all from USPS. I'm gonna have to take it into Dollar Tree to get an idea of what I want. So I might not be able to vlog this because I need 2 hands.
Let me go and get the
trolley. Thank you. It always helps when you have mums who help. You're gonna have to lock the car though, you know that. You're gonna have to lock the car. So we're at Dollar Tree and we're picking up stuff for this vlog. So this is the stuff from USPS. I got this from the United States Postal Service in case you're international and you're watching this. This is American Postal Service. So if you're from England, UK, this is like shoot, what's that called? This is American's version of oh, what's it called? Oh, what's the Royal Mail? Royal Mail. Oh, I miss our Royal Mail. Mummy, USPS is American's version of Royal Mail, isn't it? Yeah. Ready to post. Ready to post. This slowpoke. Toes done. Toes. It's Dollar Tree. And I'm going straight down there to Frames and Albums. Florals. Can't get enough of these for DIYs. They're so fake looking though. Daisies. Okay, so I get so many ideas. I even have an idea for this. I was telling them yesterday. I was telling my mum yesterday. Look at these. I have an idea for this. Comment below if you can guess what I'm going to do with this. Yeah. Don't tell them. Comment below if you can guess what I'm going to do with these. Like I want everyone to kind of guess in the guessing section, in the comment section. Okay, so we came for picture frames. So I'm gonna let's see. Oh, all the frames I want are here. Oh, and they got some other ones down here. These ones are kind of too thin. This is not what I'm looking for. I like the white ones. Oh no, I don't want this. This is different. It's for Father's Day. Let's see. So I'm gonna do this off camera because I'm gonna need 2 hands. So you guys are gonna just have to check out the project. But 5 times 7, and I want these shiny ones. So you guys are gonna just have to watch the video to see how I made this. And you guys, I guess next time I come on the vlog, I might be in lows. We'll see. But yeah, let me concentrate. I need this other hand right here. You're gonna see why I just did this, but I think I got all I need. So yeah, let's go to the checkout. Is there anything you're getting, Mummy? Then we can go to the checkout. Ready to go. That's all I need. Oh shoot, there's always an accident happening. Okay, so I need 3 of these. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Thank you. Always here to lend a helping hand. You're the real MVP. Okay, let's go to the till. I think we are done. I don't know if this is in the other location, but we'll check. Head to the till. I'm literally here every single day, right? Oh my god. It's like a second home. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. So this is like inspiration. This is what I want to get, look, to build a wall. They're heavy. Remember I was telling you something, like, oh, they're so heavy. Remember I was telling you for like the flower wall. It is so heavy. Look, all of this. You guys, private conversation with my mum. Yeah, it's so heavy. Look, you can't even, this will not even fit in my car. And then these are the used ones. I guess they're used, or yeah, because it's got like paint on it. So I wanted to use this for a flower wall. Look, it says sold. Oh, it's sold. Okay. But last time I came, it said it was $7 or something. Yeah. I like these pink things. It's a pink vibe. You know, I like those because it's pink. This should be fun. I'm here every single day, you guys. Cutting glass. Really mirror, technically. So, yeah. Just waiting. You know what? While I'm here, I'm going to show you something. I get inspiration from, I was literally here yesterday, you guys, that's how bad this is. I get inspiration from this right here. Like, I want to make something out of acrylic. I'm so obsessed with acrylic and they're so expensive in home goods. Look, I'm inspired. Give me ideas. I have some crazy ideas. Get ready, it's going to be coming soon. Yes, acrylic. I love acrylic. And there's some big pieces here. They're expensive. Do you want to see the prices? Where is it? Do you really want to see it? You're not going to like what you see. Where's the prices? Look, $50, you guys, for acrylic. Now you know why it costs so much. Crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in a second. What is that? Okay, tell them we're ready to cut. Tell them we're ready to cut. You will see more when this is made, and I'm going to change this. I didn't want gold, but I'm going to do an exchange because the location right close to this Lowe's has silver, so I need silver, not gold. So, but I just brought this in as an example so the guy that's going to cut this can see what I'm going to do with it. So this is 8x10. I want it in silver, and here is the stuff for the project. Ooh, these just, I can't wait to duct tape these together so this can stop happening. Anyway, I'm ready to cut, just waiting for the guy to come along. 36 inches for this, so I have to go to the other location, which means me getting on that freeway right there. See that crazy freeway? So we still have to go to Dollar Tree, but they were able to cut that for me. And I'm just saying that because you guys are going to see tomorrow. Do you think I should tell them? No, but I want to post this vlog tonight. Okay. I mean, yeah. Yeah, when you finally see it, it'll be too late for anyone to copy anyway, so. This is so funny. Yeah, I'm just going to show the vlog, you guys, today. We'll see. Oh, just lay this one right here. It's okay. Yeah, and I've got my handbag. Okay, off we go. Ooh, I almost showed my license plate. That's never good. You know what someone said to Mummy one time in one of my other vlogs? This made me laugh. She said, how comes you were in the video on the driver's side? Me, she's talking about me. On the beginning of the video, she said I was on the driver's side, and in the other part of the video, your side's open. Oh, maybe not. On the other part of the video, she said I was in, she said on the other part of the video I was in the passenger side. She said, explain how that happens. That made me laugh.
Were you in the passenger?
No, that's why I'm laughing. What did she see? So it made me laugh. I was like, maybe I need to go and watch it. No, I need to go and watch it back. It's like, found some stuff for this project. Oh no, that's Five and Below. How sad. There's Dollar Tree. So yes, again, introducing Dollar Tree. So we're at Dollar Tree, and this car's trying to run me over. You guys look, it's in my corner. So you see where my hand is pointing? Oh no, too obvious. So we're in the Dollar Tree. This could be this has the potential to be a fancy store. So we're in Dollar Tree, and you'll see what I'm about to get. Dollar Tree. I am now back. This is a different location, so if you're watching wondering, wait, you've already been to Dollar Tree? No, this is a totally different location. So earlier, you guys, I hid these frames knowing that I may need them. I hid them in the back. Let's see if they're still here. Like, I was very strategic, James Bond star. It's here. Are these the ones I want? Oh, I can see the glass. Oh shoot, it's freaking me out. It's freaking me out. These are not even, Mummy, I'm here. You guys, I'm sure she clearly sees me, but she went in that direction instead. Look, this is not even the type. This one's more thicker. Dollar Tree are never performing, you know. Anyway, I'll just settle with these. It's annoying though. This one is annoying, you know. It's really annoying. Yeah, it's very, very annoying. It's the size. Bring it out.
Bring which one?
This one. This one's 8x10. This one is 8x10. They're the same. Okay. But this is thicker. I want the thickness of this. You see, this one here is like barely, it's barely.
Broken one too.
Yeah. It's not even that, and then I got the glass measured too. This is ugly. We're gonna have to spray paint. It looks like. This was a wasted trip. Come out, you demon. Yeah, and I hid them too down there earlier. I hid them. Hid them for nothing. What a wasted effort. It really annoys me. They never perform in this store. So I guess I'm gonna. It's so sad that I have to spray paint something I know comes in silver. That sucks. That really sucks. That really sucks. Anyway, show this really quickly. Look at this Sprite my mum has. Look at the shape of it. It's from Dollar Tree, you guys. Look at that.
It looks good.
It's strange, isn't it?
Yeah.
Enjoy. Because the one that is like in my neighborhood, in my area, doesn't do what we want. Like, it doesn't have that length. So I'm at this Lowe's right here, and I was telling my mum it looks really, really different. You know what I'm trying to say? Itchy. It looks itchy. It's not like our regular Lowe's. It doesn't look as huge as that one we have. It's huge though. But anyway, so yeah, let's go. Beautiful sky in Houston. It's just so beautiful. It's like pink. It gives me ideas to design a nice dress, like an ombre. Ooh, that gave me an idea. But anyway, enough sky watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Stay tuned. The DIY is about to come on in a few hours from when I load this video. So I decided to load this video in the morning. So if you're watching this right now, it's probably 5 AM. So yeah. Boy, see you in a few hours and you'll see how I put it together. So yeah, give it a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. Go and watch the video down below in the next few hours, or if this is days later, just go down, it's gonna be right there. So I see you later. Boy. This man here is thinking I'm crazy. He's like, she's talking to a camera.